Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. Today's tutorial, we will learn how to change Chrome back to your normal Google homepage. Instead of Chrome Web Store, first open Chrome and click on the three dots and go to Settings. Go to Startup, as you can see on Open a Specific Page or Setup Pages. Chrome Web Store is added. Just click on the three dot and remove it. Now click it again and click on Add a New Page. Paste the URL of the default Google and click on Add. Now when you go to Appearance and toggle on the Show Home button and add Google here also. Now refresh the page and that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.